Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do our investigative journalism of what deals are coming up. Most likely the 10 days of deals. These will be some of the 10 days of deals or other promotions. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And let's go ahead and jump in. Of course, I have to ask, how did everyone's 30% off, $20 and $10 and under go? Hopefully the HARBROs all came through and all the stores had what you needed. This is such an incredible sale. So hopefully you didn't miss it. Hopefully you stocked up. But let's jump in to some of our deals. Now, we did a video like this roughly a few months ago for just before the last parking lot sale and last 10 days of deals. And our predictions were spot on. So these are all deals. They will be deals or promotions that are coming up. We just don't know when and how much the promotion will be, but it'll give us a good idea. And there's some decent ones, starting with the Predator Power Station and solar panel promotion. Now, this one actually is going on already. Well, technically, it starts tomorrow, the 27th. So this is going to be part of the super coupon lineup. It's the buy a Predator 350 watt power station, get 40% off your Predator 100 watt solar panel. So it goes through the duration of the next super coupons. So this one is technically confirmed, obviously not part of the 10 days of deals or the next parking lot sale, but it is a confirmed deal. So that one we'll skip over quickly. We've covered it before. Another one that's come up, a new one, and new in the sense of it's new on our promotions list, is the ammo box promotion. Now, these do go on sale often. And when I say often, it's often either individually, and we have seen over the last maybe now year or two, these go as high of a discount as high as 40% off. So 40% off is what we're expecting. We will just sort these high to low, but I would imagine minimum 30%. Anything less, we will be disappointed. But of course, we have the 50 caliber ammo can at $20, 30 caliber at $12. We do have a pretty good deal on the tactical ammo utility box right now, 33% off. For ITC, still going on through the 30th. We have Bunker Hill 50 caliber ammo box, $9. This is the plastic one. This is the metal one. And then the plastic 30 caliber ammo box at $6. So again, I would expect 30 to 40% off on this promotion. Another new promotion that's up is the Franklin cart promotion. I haven't seen this, and it's going to be a deal. Of course, on any Franklin cart, we will sort by high price to low. Now, this one I can't imagine would be higher than the 20-25% range. Haven't seen this deal. I can't imagine they'd go up to 40%. But I feel a solid 20 to 25% off all Franklin carts is very likely, and any more than that would be absolutely amazing. You have the Franklin 1,000-pound capacity hydraulic table cart at $360. Has a foot pedal operation to keep your hands free as you lift loads up to half a ton. How convenient would this be to have to help you offload your truck or just move any heavy parts around your garage or shop? And at $360, and I think it's fair to say we could at least be at 20% off, get it minimum down to $288. Now, any of these sales that I've seen, never less than 20%. So minimum 20%, save close to $80 if that's the case. We have a great option. That's the 1,000-pound capacity hydraulic table cart. Then we have the 500-pound capacity hydraulic table cart as well at $250. And maybe that's the one to go with. 1,000 pounds is nice, depending, I guess, what you're hauling around in your garage or shop. And then just the classic carts, 36 by 24 two-shelf utility cart, or the 30 by 16-inch two-shelf utility cart, $130 and $100 respectively. And then the folding platform trucks, the 24 by 36-inch, the 16 by 28-inch, or the 19 by 29-inch. Folding platform trucks from Franklin. So again, I would expect those to be 20 to 25% off. Anything higher than that would be absolutely excellent. Another promotion that's popped up, new on the list, but we have seen before, is there's gonna be another battery kits promotion. Now, this promotion probably has a more wide range variability of what it could be, but what we've seen in the past is these get discounted probably about to $99, I believe. In the past down to $89, so we'll see where they go. And then the Hercules 20 volt at $135, same thing, get discounted down to $99 in the past, but more recently likely to go down to maybe $110. If they stuck to the 20%, maybe 30% off, which I haven't seen with these, but if this was 20% off, get down to 108. So yeah, roughly they'll do about 20% on both of them. But there is a battery kits promotion. So just a heads up to the Harbros, if you're looking to get some extra batteries, this is in the not so near. This is in the near future. Next, we have a chainsaws promotion. Promotion on chainsaws, and a little bit surprised by how many chainsaw options we have. So we'll sort from high to low. And of course, we have the Portland 42cc 18-inch gas-powered chainsaw at $185. Has spring assist for easy starting and automatic oiler for smooth operation. And I believe this was included in a sale not so long ago for all outdoor power equipment, but this is chainsaw specific. So again, for this, I'd imagine 20 to 30% off, which would be a good discount. 30% would be absolutely incredible. Probably I'd expect 20 to 25% on this. Anything higher again would be an excellent option. But the Portland at 20% off, save almost $40. And of course, we have the Atlas, and they've been pushing. I feel like Harbor Freight's been pushing the Atlas line a lot more recently with a lot more coupons. They've done some bundle promotions. They've released new tools, the backpack blower. They had deals on all batteries, which is one of the tough starting points for Atlas because those batteries, this one down here in particular, very pricey. But still, here we have the Atlas 80-volt brushless cordless 18-inch chain saw tool, only $150, 4 times the power, and cuts faster than gas with more than 50, or with more power than a 50cc gas chainsaw. And this, at 20% off, get it down to $120. Makes it a little bit more of a viable option. And in chainsaws, they're including the Bauer 20-volt cordless pole saw tool, only at $90. The Atlas has an 80-volt version, brushless cordless 10-inch pole saw tool only. Also, well, $90 for the Bauer, $90 for the Atlas as well, which makes me feel like the Atlas is well priced. 80-volt versus the 20-volt, but I guess the batteries is where it matters. With the Bauer 20-volt cordless 10-inch chainsaw tool only, and the Bauer 14.5 amp 16-inch electric chainsaw. This is corded. Portland's electric pole saw at $69.99. Bauer's 20-volt brushless cordless 5-inch pruning saw tool only at $65. And this has been a Harbro favorite in the past. On clearance, the 40-volt Atlas 10-inch pole saw. And then the Portland 9 amp 14-inch electric chainsaw at $50. Chicago Electric Power Tools, the chainsaw sharpener, allegedly will be included at $35. Of course, the STP 32-ounce bar and chain oil, and even a Chicago Electric Power Tools chainsaw sharpener. So this is a new promotion. Haven't seen it specifically to chainsaws, but this should be coming up soon. Then we have corded sanders promotion, 12 items, Bauer, Hercules, specific. We'll sort these from high to low to see what our options are. We have the Bauer oscillating edge belt and spindle sander at $200. Easy tool-free conversion from belt sander to spindle sander, making this a great bench top tool. $200. Again, I would expect 20 to 30% off on these. Save $40 minimum on either this edge belt and spindle sander or the Bauer 12-inch 1.25 horsepower disc sander. We have the Bauer 5 amp 9-inch variable speed drywall sander at $150. The belt 4x36-inch belt and 6-inch disc sander at $115. Bauer's variable speed belt sander. Hercules alert, they'll have a random orbit palm sander with soft start. Mostly Bauer here. The band file belt sander, the variable speed belt sander as well. The Bauer 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander. Hercules on current instant savings, so depending when this comes out, already 11% off. Be able to combine this possible promotion. I would imagine these have gone, at least these Bauer ones are normally 20, 30% off during the sales that they're on. So I would imagine they would do about 30% off maybe on these corded sanders promotion. So end up getting a pretty steep discount. You know, the Bauer 1.5 amp corner detail sander with sealed on-off switch, already 28% off, so not a bad deal during ITC. And then the Bauer 2.2 amp orbital 1/4-inch sander. So that's corded sanders promotion coming up. Then we have an Earthquake XT air impact wrenches promotion, 12 items. The Earthquake XT 1-inch D-handle composite air impact wrench, 8-inch extended anvil, twin hammer, 3,000 foot-pounds at $370. So again, minimum for these. Can't say I've seen this sale that often. These individually do go on sale, and they go on sale pretty steep discounts. But all of them on sale at the same time, I have not seen. So I would expect roughly 20-25% off on these. The Earthquake XT 1-inch composite pistol grip air impact wrench twin hammer, 3/4-inch composite air impact wrench twin hammer, Earthquake XT 1/2-inch composite ultra torque air impact wrench twin hammer as well, right now on ITC for $30 off. They're including the industrial grade air hose reel, the brand new 1/2-inch composite air impact wrench 2-inch extended anvil twin hammer, the 1/2-inch composite air impact wrench twin hammer 1200 foot-pounds, Earthquake XT 1/2-inch super compact air impact wrench twin hammer 1000 foot-pounds, and then on clearance, the 1/2-inch right angle composite air impact wrench jumbo hammer 400 foot-pounds, the 1/2-inch stubby air impact wrench jumbo hammer 700 foot-pounds, and the 3/8-inch mini air ratchet wrench with 1/4-inch hex drive. And then, last but not least, save the best for last, is there's gonna be an Icon service kit promotion. Icon alert, Icon service kit promotion. Now we have seen some decent deals on these. I think they've gone up to 30 to 40% off in the past based off of the Icon sale that was going on at the time. But here we have the Icon 3/8-inch drive, metric SAE modular general service socket set, 54-piece, priced at $160. Makes sense that these probably need to go because they need to update the ratchets inside to the G2 ratchet. So I imagine there's going to be a G2 version of these general service socket sets. So maybe that's the idea behind this sale specific. But $160 for the 3/8-inch. 1/4-inch is at $120, 48-piece. And anywhere, hopefully, hopeful wishing this will be between 30 and 40% off. Not sure if we'll get there, but minimum it'll be 20% off. We'll shoot for 25% off, but for the 1/4-inch at 25% off, get it down to $90 for the 1/4-inch general service socket set. And for the 3/8-inch at $160, if it does go to 25% off, get it down to $120. So save $40, which is pretty good compared to what we've seen in the past though. I feel like some of these were included in the socket sales that were up to 40% off. Those were the days of yore. Those were the unicorn days. But those are the new promotions that are up. And I'll link each one of these pages so you can look through them. But these are the new promotions that are up that tend to be for an upcoming sale, whether it be the next parking lot sale, whether it be the next 10 days of deals, or whether it be a promotion like the Predator that's coming up for a super coupon or for a flash sale. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know what you think of these upcoming deals. Any of them excite you? Let me know. And as always, happy harbor freighting, Harbros. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Hopefully you got and took advantage of your 30% off, $20 and under. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.